Hello friends, in this video we will see what is Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word is a documenting application in which you can create documents of legal papers, school projects, final year projects, project reports. You can write letter, you can write letterheads, and you can design small, a little greeting cards. Or you can also do some picture artwork or newspaper work with Microsoft Office Word. So in this video we'll see how to use it. So to start Microsoft Office Word, we will go to Start menu, All Programs, we'll go to Microsoft Office and we'll select Microsoft Office Word 2007. So this is our Microsoft Office Word 2007 application. In this application, this is the title bar where you can see the title of the document. Currently it's document 1, it's a default name given. So once we save it with a different name, you can see the name which you have applied in this title bar. And you can see a lot of icons which we will see in the later classes. And you can see many menus here. It's also called ribbons. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, or you can call home menu, insert menu. Okay, you'll have home menu, insert ribbon, page layout ribbon, reference ribbon, mailings, review, and view. So all these ribbons contain some tools which are used to create the document. So we will see one by one. So initially I'll start up with some fonts. I'll write Mac. Computer education. Okay, and see, I want some text to format, so you can type the text or you can copy and paste from a different document. So what I'll do is I'll press F1. So when I press F1, I will get Microsoft Office Word help. Okay, so whenever I press F1, I get Microsoft Office Word help. So you will get all the topics which are required for learning Microsoft Office Word. Okay, for calculation, everything, customization, saving, everything, you'll get help from here. So it's like a book. So you can click on the hyperlinks and I copy few text here. I just need it for a demonstration purpose. So I'll paste the text. Okay, we will use this text for formatting. So first I will select this text. How to select? You have to click the mouse left button and drag without releasing the mouse button, and you can select any of the text font. You can see you can apply the font and you can apply the font size. When you move the mouse pointer over the numbers, it will automatically increase the font. So until you click on the number, it will not be applied. So if I come without clicking, it will remain same. If I click, then it will be applied. Okay, I'll select this and click here to apply the font size. So you can select font, also different fonts. So there are a lot of fonts available here. You can scroll here and you have a lot of designs in the fonts. So I'll leave with the Times New. Leave it as a Times New Roman now, and I will select this text, and this is currently Arial font. So I'll change it to Times New Roman and font 12 size. Okay, so you can change the font size and font like this, or else you can also select this or select any particular text and increase the font using this. You see, you can increase the font or you can decrease the font using this button. Okay, I'll take it to 12. Okay, you see 12. So you can increase any text font. You can select this, use the same keys to increase and decrease the fonts. Okay, and then if I select any of the letters, for example I select this, I can press bold. If I click on this, you can also use Control B. If I click B, it becomes bold. You see, now it's bold, so it's been highlighted here. And again, if I press the B again, so it will become unbold again. So if I click on I, it becomes italic. You can see it has been italicized, it has bent a little. So you can do it italics. You can remove the italics formatting. You can also underline if you want. You can see there's an underline now. You can change the type of the underline here. You can see there are different kinds of underlines here. So you can apply any of the underlines which you want. Okay, you can underline like this. If you want the color of the underline to be different, you can go here and say select the underline color to any other color. I'll select a red. So you can change the underline color also. Okay, so this is how you underline, bold, italicize, or bold, change the color of the underline. So this is strike through. When you select a text, you can make a strike through. You can see one line has been striked here. Okay, we'll see how to do a double strike later. So I'll select this again and I'll remove the strike through. Okay. After this, if we want to highlight any text, we can select the text and go here and select and highlight color. You can see the color is been changing. When you click on it, it will be applied. Okay, you can click on it like this. So and highlight the text. If you don't want the highlight, you can select text and say no color. Okay, so this is how you can highlight the text. And also you can change the color of the text. You can go select all the text. Here you can change the color of the text to any blue color or maroon color, brown, red, orange, any color you want. Okay, I'll select blue. Okay, so this is how you can change the color. If you want some more colors which are not available here, you can go to more colors and choose your color here, any color you want, and increase the darkness or the brightness of the color and select a color and say OK. So that text will turn into that color. So you can format any text heading or the paragraph, anything you want, by selecting it and changing the formatting buttons. For example, bold, italic, underline, color, highlight, increase font, all of these things. We'll see more here. For example, if I want to type X square, okay, we'll turn all this into a black font so that it will be visible correctly, properly visible. So now X square plus Y square is equal to Z square. Okay, so but it doesn't look like X square, Y square and Z square. It looks like X2, Y2 and Z2. So what we'll do is we will select only the 2 here and say subscript, and we'll select 2 here and see subscript, and we'll select only 2 and say subscript. Okay, so I'll select everything and increase the font so that it's visible for you. Okay, you can do a subscript. Okay, we have done a subscript. Actually it's wrong. You can do a subscript like this, X2, but we need a superscript. So X square, Y square. Okay, now it's still in superscript. If we write something here, it will be followed with the 2, but we don't want there, so we will release the superscript. So now if you type anything, it will be in the normal size. So next, if we need a subscript, for example, in a chemistry formula H2O, so we can select the only two here and say subscript. So this way you can create subscript. For example, H2SO4. So you can select this and make it a subscript. So you can write chemistry formulas like this, or if you write 1ST, okay, we will release the subscript. Now I say 1ST, so it automatically becomes superscript. For example, second, okay, for third, fourth, you can see it automatically becomes superscript. So this way you can use superscript and subscript. So if you want to change like more, for example, in this we have selected bold, italic, all the formatting. So if we don't want anything formatted here, underline anything, we can select this, select the text and click here. So all formatting done will be gone. So if I want to go one step back, so I'll go to this one, which is Control Z or undo. You can press Control Z on the keyboard or click on the undo button. So it goes one step behind, one step back. So this is how you format the text in Microsoft Office Word. So again, you can see more options in formatting. If you go here, you can see a small button here. When you click on this, you get a lot of font change. Whatever you selected text, if you change the font, it will be changed. Bold, italic, and just italic. The font size and font color, you can, whatever you have chosen here, everything is available here also. Okay, you can choose any color if you want. Okay, you can say strike through, single strike through, you can see one line striking the word. If I select double strike through, you can see two lines striking the words. Superscript, subscript, we have already seen. Shadow, if you select, you can see a light shadow here. Okay, if I remove the shadow, shadow will be gone. So outline is a different look. Emboss and engrave are like, it's like a carving on a stone. Small caps, all the small letters will become capital. All caps will become everything will be capital. Small caps is like, if you select small caps, only the first character will be a bigger capital, all other characters will be small capital letters. Okay, these are the different font options you have. You can press OK. Once you press OK, you can see the changes here. Okay, this is how you can format your text. I'll go and do undo. Okay, so this is how you can change the font of your document. It can be any type of document. You can apply all different type of fonts available here, whichever you want. So friends, we have seen fonts, applying fonts to the, or applying the font characteristic, bold, italic, all these things on text. So we will learn a lot in the future videos. Thank you for watching this video.